Here I have Motorola G14, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. So by holding your finger on it, nothing happens. By tapping on it once, you can switch audio settings. You can set up device, you can record device audio, microphone audio, or both. And you can also show touches on the screen. So after you tap start, this countdown appears, and after 3 seconds, recording starts. So now it's on. As you can see, it shows my touches on the screen with this ball. When you're done recording, you just go to the upper bar and tap stop, and after that recording will be saved to the photos and to this movies section. Recording starts. And here it is. As you can see, it shows my touches on the screen with this ball. And as you can see, from here you can share, edit or delete your recording, and also perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.